How old is the Earth? Creationists would like us to believe that the world is 6 to 10,000 years old due to genealogical information presented in the Bible. By using overlapping tree ring patterns, it can be proven without any doubt that some petrified trees humans have discovered lived between 11,000 and 12,000 years ago. That alone proves that creationists are wrong unless there were trees growing 1,500 years before creation. The oldest rocks which have been found so far near the surface of the Earth date to 3.8 to 3.9 billion years ago, and the surface does not contain the oldest parts of the Earth. Meteorites, 38 in total, had an average measured age of 4.49 billion years. The youngest was 4.29 billion years, and the oldest was 4.57 billion years. Everything in the solar system formed out of the same cloud of gas and dust, so everything in it should be about the same age. So based on ages of meteorites, it is reasonable to assume the Earth is between 4.29 and 4.57 billion years old. Using radioactive decay is a way to date igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are rocks that are formed by the solidification of molten magma or lava. Several different radioactive elements can be used. They all give the same answer, within their margin of error, for a given rock. Sedimentary layers of rock can be dated by finding igneous rocks just above, just below, or within them. Then any fossils found in those layers must be from the time period that that layer was created. Creationists say that radioactive decay must have been different in the past. All radioactive decay processes used for dating give the same answer, even though they involve different sizes of nuclei, different types of decay, and different paths of decay, them all being affected by the conditions of the past in the same way to the same extent is a ridiculous idea. Frequencies and fading rates of gamma rays from exploding stars are predictable according to present-day decay rates, showing that when the decay process produced those gamma rays, the decay rates were the same as they are today. Since this has been observed in stars hundreds of thousands to tens of millions of light years away, the decay rates were the same hundreds of thousands to tens of millions of years ago, because gamma rays travel 1 light year per year. All radioactive decay produces heat. The faster the decay, the more heat produced. To achieve the same many half-life intervals in the 10,000 years predicted by creationists instead of the 4.6 billion years measured by geologists would produce 460,000 times as much heat. The Earth would be too hot to have liquid water. It would have liquid rock, and certainly no life could survive. Now for reality. The Earth is not thousands of years old, but thousands of millions of years old. Earth and all the life on it was not made in 7 days. The Earth was here for more than 1 billion years before single-cell life developed. Multicellular life took 2 billion more years to develop. And we have fossils more than half of 1 billion years old. Humans, Homo sapiens, have been around for about 200,000 years. Our species, Homo sapiens sapiens, modern humans, has been around for about 50,000 years. Reality trumps mythology.